New earning method in this video again. The link of the website is below on description of this video. Let's quickly get to know about website and guidelines. Play. Earn. Repeat. Point 1. 1. Play. A huge collection of web and mobile games. 2. Earn. Points and cash from playing and competing. 3. Cash out. Your Wombats or prize money from challenges. Womplay top games. Here 2 of them. Then here are desktop games. Let's check. And here are mobile games. Let's check them too. NFT games. Here are challenges. Okay, let's register and earn some money. I always register with my Google account. Okay, now you see. Welcome to Womplay. Have fun playing games and join a challenge. Just one more step. You're just a few clicks away from joining the reward pool. Only one more step and you're ready to receive a payout. Create an EOS account. You need an account on the EOS blockchain. Think of it like a secure, digital wallet we can send your payouts to. Don't worry, we'll create one for you for free in just a few clicks. Create account. Success! You're all set and ready to join the reward pool. Below to enter the current prize pool. Below to enter the current prize pool. By joining you'll submit all of your Wombats at the end of the cash out event. Joining cannot be undone. Your share of the reward pool will depend on your contribution, as well as the total amount of Wombats contributed. You're in. Congratulations! You've joined your first Womplay cash out event. What's next? Wait for the payout. Your final share of the reward pool will be calculated at the end of the cash out event. It will be paid out automatically about an hour after the event ends. Let's play more and more games and make money from our playing. Sorry for interruption. This is our next earning method video. Please give us your support only by subscribing to our channel. Next part of this video about getting acquainted with the website. Thanks. Also earn from your referrals that when you invite your friend to play and earn as you, then 25% of their earnings are your forever. What is it and how can you get crypto and NFTs with it? On September 1st, Wombat released Womplay, a rewards platform designed for passionate players that gets them crypto and NFTs from playing games. The best part is, many your favorite titles from Forge of Empires to Raid Shadow Legends will be integrated with it. Want to learn more about Womplay and how you can start getting rewards already? Then this post is just for you. How does Womplay work? Womplay will feature several types of challenges with different payout schemes. In total, players can jump in on Quick Play. A selected tier of browser games will be available to bring more variety on Womplay and provide you with easy earning options. However, the Quick Play selection can only award you with 300 Wombats per day collectively. Quests. In the upper right corner, you can see a quest scroll with daily tasks for you. In exchange, you will get Wombats. NFT rewards. Completing special kind of quests, you can get game-themed NFTs of 5 different rarities. Missions. Use your NFTs in a story-driven adventure and win both crypto and Wombats. The slot machine. Feeling like your NFTs don't have enough juice? Run the slot machine to change their attributes. Loot boxes. Loot boxes grant you up to 500 Wombats every day. Nothing you need to do, just bust that chest open. Performance-based challenges. You might find these familiar if you have ever taken part in a Wombattle. To win more, you will have to best your competitors. It could be reaching a milestone faster than the others, or playing the game for the longest time, and so on. These challenges will always be limited in terms of duration and the number of winners. All Womplay users who opted in for such a challenge will be able to track their progress on a leaderboard. Generally, these challenges last several days with the payouts done directly in EOS. Routine in-game actions. Performing certain in-game actions, such as reaching milestones, using items, or making purchases, will also earn you some Wombats. These Wombats will serve you well later, which brings us to cash out events. Opting in for these timed events will allow you to get a share of a fixed prize pool in PBTC or EOS. These events last a week and typically end on Fridays, at 1300 hours set. How do I start on Womplay? To use Womplay, you will need to have an EOS account created with, or imported to Wombat. Other wallets will not be compatible. Womplay will create an EOS account for you when you sign up. However, if you're already registered on Wombat, please choose the exact same sign-up method that you used on Wombat. Same works the other way around. To store or transfer your Womplay earnings, please log into Wombat with the exact same sign-up method that you used on Womplay. Don't panic if you only have a Telos account though, you can still create an EOS one in advance. Here's how you can do it. Through the wallet. On Wombat, go to your wallet screen and tap on EOS. Tap or click on any of the actions with the asset, send, receive, trade. Alternatively, go to Settings, proceed to Keys and Accounts and tap on EOS. This will take you to the account creation flow. Through the Cash Out event. Once you join the Cash Out event, you will be prompted to create an EOS account on Womplay. Follow the instructions in the account creation screen and you will be done in no time. If you already have an EOS account, you can import it as well. How can I earn on Womplay? To convert your Wombats to EOS or PBTC, you will need to join the special Cash Out event. You will see a purple button under the prize pool. All the Wombats in your active balance above will count towards your reward. These events typically last for a week and end on Fridays at 1300 hours set. Your earnings depend on two things: the total amount of Wombats submitted for the event and your share of those. For instance, if all the challengers contribute 100,000 Wombats with you putting in 16,000 Wombats, you will get 16% of the prize pool. Note that this share might change as more players join the event and contribute more Wombats. Am I limited in my earnings? Our quick play games have a daily cap of 300 Wombats. There isn't a daily or weekly maximum amount, so there is nothing stopping you from going on a play to earn craze. What can I do with my crypto? With EOS, you can buy in-game items, soft currency or boosts in Prospectors, Chain Clash, Crypto Dynasty and many other games. If you're really looking for more earning opportunities, you can lock these in DeFi hubs to earn interest. Or you can also invest in awesome gaming and art NFTs. Can I withdraw to PayPal or Payoneer? Womplay was designed as a crypto rewards platform, and it shall remain that. If you don't feel like you're ready for crypto yet, please drop us an email at contact@womplay.io. We can help you delete your account. Thanks guys for watching. This was my next earning method, and by the way, subscribe to my channel. Good luck.